Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add X color in Google Docs. Now as you can see here, I'm in Google Docs and I have a separate window open which I'm going to go ahead and let's say make a color pick and get a hex color here. So let's go ahead and choose something like this and let's find a spot that looks really interesting. Let's say we want this color here as X color, and here you can find the X color, so I'm going to copy that. Now how do I add this in Google Docs to, for example, change this color of this text? All you have to do is just go ahead and highlight the text if you have a text, or if you don't have the text you can just go ahead and do it without, and you can start typing with that color. So once you highlight the text, go ahead and choose the text color from those options here at the top, and here you have the little plus under custom. You click on that, and here you know of the X option, so you can go ahead and you can add the X color there by simple place it in, and you can see immediately it changes, and all you have to do is just press OK, and the color is now added. So if you have any custom X color that you need to add to get a specific color in Google Docs, this is how you do it. Just go ahead and choose the color, text color here, and just click the little plus under the custom, and you can easily add it. Just simply click on OK. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. And as you can see, if I continue to type, I also have that color that I can easily type with. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.